Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your unusual option activity mini euro oil recap for the date of July 20th, 2012. Very interesting week. We've climbed higher. Then we got a little bit of a flush out today. We could technically say a short, a double top that's 1375. Next week should be interesting. We have GDP on Friday. We also have earnings from Apple, Las Vegas Stands, McDonald's. So we have some more earnings next week. Halliburton. So very interesting day, I think. We climbed higher every day, and we got a little flush out today. Let's look at the weekly chart. Every Friday I want to look at the weeklies. So this week we made a higher high barely, and then tails on both sides, on the top and on the bottom. Not overly bullish, not overly bearish. I think we're going to go sideways into the election. Now let's look at oil. Oil was very strong this week. All the commodity-based stocks were very strong this week. If we looked at it on the weekly chart, and this was the euro, sorry. If we looked at oil on the weekly chart, soaring higher, close to the high of the week, taking out this $90 level, 91.50. We're getting into the cloud on the oil on the weekly chart. Let's look at the daily chart. The daily chart is very easy. Higher highs, higher lows, into the cloud on the daily, but we are continuing to make higher highs, higher lows. Stair-stepping a little bit higher. Let's look at the euro. Euro, complete opposite. Continues to just tank. I actually covered 2/3 of my euro short today at this 121.60 level. I took off 2/3 of my euro short. I got short at 126.30. I actually sold some at 127.05 on the Greek election, but most of it I averaged in about 126.30. So I took off 2/3 of my position. I'm leaving a third on. I still think the euro tests lower. Counter trend trading is very difficult. So on the weekly, we're taking out lows. I think the next level is at 118.74. A couple trades I wanted to talk about. One was URI. I had a huge winner in URI. In URI, for earnings, I bought the July 33, 30, 27 put fly, and I used the HIM Cribbit trading plan, historical movement versus implied movement, the chart, measure move target, risk, reward, break even, time, and target. So this is the HIM Cribbit trading plan. If you're ever in the room, you can hear about this multiple times a day. And basically what I did is I thought it was going to go lower. I bought the 33 puts, sold twice as many of the 30 puts, lower the cost of the premium, and I bought the 27 puts. So in this strategy, it got me short. I did this whole package for 40 cents. So I was risking 40 cents, and I could have made $3 in this trade. I held it all the way to expiration. Stock closed at $30.49, making my 40 cents or $40 into $260. So 6.5 times my money. It was the best trade I put on all week. This was a huge winner in the live trading room. This week we had, on earnings plays, 6 winners, 9 losers. However, if I risked the same amount across the board, $1,000 per trade, I look at it as, if I risked $1,000 on all 15 trades, I still would have made money. Despite having more losers than winners, URI paid me 6.5 times on my money. So noticing these kind of patterns and using call and put flies have been my best strategies. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. If you want a free trial for the live trading room, email sales@KeenOnTheMarket.com. If not, we'll run it back next week, and I expect more sideways actions in election time.